Money is the thing that runs this world. And I always say money is the cause of all diseases. Did you know that? No, you didn't. I'll tell you this study. There's a nice study which shows that. If you have a money, you must push this idea. We must get these people together and have a database which says who is good for treating what. A lot of people claim, oh, I do this, that and all. I'll tell you a recent example. We had a nurse whom Karthikeyan knows, Rama. She runs our whole research center. This girl had an upper respiratory infection, I tell you, fever, etc., etc. She took all the antibiotics and all. She was in bed with such bad sinusitis, this and that. We have a homeopath who is very good in this area. So we sent her to that homeopath. 3 days later, she is back at work. Absolutely fine. I called her yesterday and said, Rama, how are you? She says, I am fine, sir. Fit as a fiddle. 10 days she suffered taking antibiotics. Each antibiotic pill you take kills millions of germs in your gut. And when the gut is damaged, your immune system is gone. The headquarters of your gut is in the immune system. That's why in America now, if you have a very bad infection with superbugs and nothing helps, do you know the treatment? Give someone else's shit through a Ryle's tube. And when once you replace the gut with the normal flora, the infection disappears in 4 hours. This is called fecal transplant. So America does it, so we accept it. Now we've gone one step further. In America, you get poop capsules. Small capsules, $5. So it boosts your immune system. That is the strength of Ayurveda. What does Ayurveda say? Panchakarma. In Panchakarma, you only boosting the immune system. I have a Western medical doctor, a professor of radiology in a medical college in Maharashtra, who had a massive heart attack. And they did everything for him. Bypass surgery, this, that, but he was not able to get up from bed. He said, I am going to use the Ayurvedic method. He caught hold of cow's colostrum, which is a very good immune booster. And he has produced a tablet called Immugen. And he has now got back. He doesn't take any medicine and he is absolutely fine. He has left the medical college and he is doing this business of selling immune boosters. So happy. His ejection fraction has come back to normal. He is 24 hours, he is working and he has forgotten his heart. He is heartless now. That is the power. But then you should know when to mix, when to combine. If you go on saying that across the board, I'll say all systems must come together, nothing will happen. Because they hate each other like, mouse and the mongoose and the snakes. So because, what is the hatred? Do you know? I'll take you to history, because history, you learn from history. If you do not, you relive history. 50 years before the American Medical Association started, doctors in America thought their methods of treatment were so bad that they wanted to homeopathic association. So the first homeopathic association in America started 50 years before medical association started by American MD doctors. And who was Heinemann? He was an MD doctor in Germany. He couldn't save his own son when the needle went into him and he gets septicemia and died. This man thought, what's the use of my MD degree? I have not been able to save my son. Then of course he copied from a Canadian doctor who had written a book on this. Similibus, something. And it was not originally his. And always in history, the man who publishes a thing in the world gets the credit. Now, Nobel Prize are also like that. The man really who invented doesn't get the credit. So that Canadian man didn't get any credit. Anyway, homeopathy exists. Now, homeopathy also has got certain advantages. It has got a lot of problems. Modern medicine has certain advantages. Let me tell you. Supposing I fall down under the car in Delhi roads. I can't say I'll do yoga and sit and do Om and then get back. No, somebody has to set my bones. Somebody has to do something. But then what we don't realize.